The early de Havilland Ghost was one of the first gas turbine engines to enter commercial airline service. Scaled up from the Goblin, it featured 10 combustion chambers for a total amount of 5,000 pounds of force. Its iconic split intakes fed a single-stage centrifugal compressor, and this quickly set a 60,000-foot altitude record. The design produced several variants, and was quickly dispatched in the Comet passenger plane. But more powerful multi-stage compressor engines with higher quality alloys quickly displaced the Ghost later in the 1950s.